My name is Marcus Engel. I live in Orlando, Florida. I am totally blind. I have been so for 20-something years now. I am an author and professional speaker. I provide lectures nationwide to healthcare facilities and healthcare professionals. I am in a different city or state several times a week. Depending on where I am going, I'll probably use a combination of things. First of all, my orientation and mobility skills. Second, my seeing eye dog, Elliot, here can help steer around objects and help me to make sure that I don't walk down a flight of stairs. When I first started using the device today, I wasn't really sure what to expect. It really ended up turning out to be even better than what I was imagining. The ability to convey information to me just through vibrations and vibration patterns was really amazing. And not only that, but when it wasn't vibrating, it still gave me information that I am on the right path and navigating in the right direction. It was completely intuitive. While I was out using the device, there were 2 or 3 motorcycles that drove by. If I was using my iPhone and the voiceover feature on the iPhone to navigate, and it's telling me, keep going down the block or make a right-hand turn or a left-hand turn, I wouldn't be able to hear that over the outside sound. So I really thought that that was an ability to bring in another one of my senses and be able to navigate with that sense of touch. When I was walking through the park this afternoon, I was able to take in more of my environment with playing on my right-hand side, and there were dogs and families hanging out on my left-hand side. These are things that I was able to experience a little more and pay a little more attention to because I had the device on. If this is a new way of taking in information and it can help a blind person with navigation and orientation, you're really looking at a game changer of a device.